In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear data of an AdsPower profile. This is useful when a site isn't loading correctly, pages feel sluggish, or you need a clean environment for testing. Clearing profile data removes stored information that can cause conflicts, and it can also free up disk space. Start by opening AdsPower and going to your Profiles list, the screen where all your browser profiles are shown. Find the specific profile you want to clean. Open its options by clicking the three-dot menu next to it, or simply right-click the profile name. From the menu, choose Clear Cache or Clear Cache Data, depending on the version you're using. A dialog will appear, letting you pick exactly what to remove. Cookies are small files that keep you signed in and remember preferences. Clearing them will usually log you out of websites. Local storage, sometimes labeled local storage, holds site-specific settings and lightweight data saved by web apps. Indexed DB is a deeper storage layer used by complex sites. Clearing it can resolve stubborn glitches, but may remove offline content or app data. Browser history removes the list of visited pages within that profile, which helps with privacy and can declutter suggestions. Extension-related data resets data saved by installed extensions in that profile. Cached images and files, also known as the general disk cache, remove temporary files so pages can reload fresh. This is often a safe first choice when you just want to fix display issues. In the same dialog, choose whether you want to clear local data on your computer or cloud data if you're using AdsPower's data sync feature. Clearing local data affects only this machine. Clearing cloud data updates the profile's stored data in the cloud, which can propagate to other devices that sync the same profile. If you work across multiple computers, think carefully about this choice so you don't unintentionally wipe data everywhere. Before you proceed, review your selections. If you're unsure, start with cached images and files, then include cookies or storage types if issues persist. When you're ready, confirm to execute. AdsPower will process your request and clean the profile based on what you selected. This may take a moment, especially if the cache is large. After it completes, your profile will be cleaned. Expect to be logged out of sites if you cleared cookies, and some apps may ask for permissions again if you removed extension or storage data. The next time you launch that profile, everything will load with the fresh settings you chose, giving you a clean slate to work from.